Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today I'm sharing with you a process of how you can make tiny envelopes for your junk journal project using materials from this package from your creative studio. So this is an August 2023 subscription box and you will find the link to grab yours down below in the description area. Let's go ahead to see what's inside. Well, I'm trying to open this without damaging this beautiful wrapping paper. A lot of goodies in here. Let's see the first one. It's a stamp with some kids that feed the cow. Now let me stamp this for you to see the details. It is really so cute. This is another stamp, a rooster with big glasses. It's so nice stamp. Next one is this washi tape in a vintage style, really beautiful, and I'm going to use it on my today's project, I think. This drawer box has a bunch of tags, as I can see. Yes, and they have a punch hole on the top. These are printed on a thick cardstock, they're really sturdy, and oh my god, really so many different unique images. Let's put them inside and see what's next. This has a lot of stickers with butterflies, and definitely, as I love butterflies so much, I am going to use also some of them to decorate the envelopes. Let's move on to this one. It has, as I can see, some vellum vintage papers. And here are some papers that have a texture on them. Well, I don't know if you can see on camera, but I'll give it a try. Here are some retro borderless stickers, and this bag contains 100 pieces. Really amazing postcards, all ideal for journaling, but not only for journaling, it is also for card making as well. Let's open this one. It looks interesting, and yes, it has these beautiful flowers. These pieces are perfect to create clusters. And here is a green pencil case with a farm theme, really useful and such a cute pencil case where you can store whatever you want. These are some rooster transparent stickers. And let's grab this one. It's a stamp with a basket of chicks. Really cute. Some ephemera cards. Oh, these are simply adorable. You can play a lot with them on your journal, especially if you are a farm lover. And these are stickers in a paper, which I think it has fiber on it. Just a close-up look to see the quality of paper. If you can see, it's amazing. See the fibers? Really interesting. Last but not least, these amazing papers. It contains this package 24 sheets, 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers and 6 pattern ones. Amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook, tag and much more. The size of them is 12 by 21 centimeters, so you can easily make a journal in a similar size and stick these papers on this journal. I think that the final result will be just gorgeous. And look at these papers one by one. These are the stickers. And finally the vellum ones. And here are the envelopes we are going to make. The final size is about 1 1/4 by 2 1/4 of an inch. A beautiful add-on on your journal, or you can make a happy mail and give some of these as a gift with a little note inside. These ones are vellum paper envelopes, and I have to confess that I definitely enjoyed this process of making the vellum paper ones. So I am going to choose from this pack one paper and one vellum paper to make the envelopes. You have to cut your paper at 3.5 by 3.5 inches and punch at 1/2 inch. And please remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to fix it later by trimming off the imperfections. I put double-sided tape on these parts. And now it's time for decoration. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!